Have you noticed something strange? Whenever you ask any AI tool like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude AI to generate a front-end code, it's always generate React or Next.js code first. But why not Angular, Vue, or some other programming languages? Is this React is actually the best, or there is hidden reason behind it? The first reason is simple. React is extremely popular. Most of the front-end developers use React in their projects. That means internet has millions of React code, and each AI tool learn from internet data only. Second is training data. AI models are trained on massive data sets. If front-end developer use React code most, then naturally AI sees more React code during the training. So when you ask AI to generate a UI code, it's always generate a React code. React become the most aesthetically likely answer. And third one is React is AI friendly. But why AI friendly? Component based structure, JSX, reusable patterns, and predictable code. React use component based structure. That means UI divided into small reusable. For AI model, this structure is very easy to generate. Fourth one is huge ecosystem. React have Next.js, React Native, and massive libraries. And React also has the largest ecosystem. Tools like Next.js, React Native, and thousands of libraries make React extremely flexible. The fifth one is future, but this does not mean other frameworks are bad. Vue, Angular, and other libraries are also powerful. However, because of React dominate the internet, AI tool naturally generate the React code more often. I'm curious which framework you do prefer, React, Vue, or Angular. Comment below and let's discuss.